D R minus R mean. Your R mean is 9. 5 into 0.20 is 1. 35 into 0.20 is 7. Add the figure. Plus 3 minus 3 cancelled out. 25 into 25. 625. 25. 0. 25. 100. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to hand Security Analysis and Portfolio Management 6th semester, Unit 2, Session 2 of B.Ba in favor of Risk and Return and Standard Deviation with Probability. So the problem will be given like this. They will give the returns, they will give the probability. First, what are the steps to do? Multiply R, this is R, this is P, R into P, we'll get the answer called expected return. Then take the deviation from R mean, then D square multiplied by PD square. So root of sigma PD square is your standard deviation. We move with the problem now. R, this is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Then probability 0.10, 0.20, 0.10, 0.30, 0.20, 0.10. When you add the probability, that should be equal to 1. This 10 plus 30, 40, 70, 91. So multiply R into P. This is your expected return. So 20 into 0.10, 20 into 0.10 is equal to 2. 30 into 0.20, 6. 40 into 0.20, 40 into 0.10, 4. 50 into 0.30, 50 into 0.30 is equal to 15. 60 into 0.20, 12. 70 into 0.10, 7. Add the figure. 7 plus 12 plus 15 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. 46. Expected return 46. Take the deviation. D, R minus R mean. Your R mean is 46. So 20 minus 46 is minus 26. 30 minus 46 is minus 16. 40 minus 46 is minus 6. 50 minus 46 is 4. 60 minus 46 is 14. 70 minus 46 is 24. Then D square, 26 into 26, 676. 16 into 16, 256, 36, 16, 14 into 14, 196, 24 into 24, 576, multiplied by P, PD square, P into D square, 676 into 0.10, 67, 676 into 0.10, 67.6, 256 into 0.20, 51.2, 36 into 0.10, 3.6, 16 into 0.30, 4.8, 196 into 0.20, 39.2, 57.6 into 0.10, 5.76, add 5.76 plus 39.2 plus 4.8 plus 3.6 plus 51.2 plus 67.6. So sigma PD square 172.16. Standard deviation root of sigma PD square. This is 172.16. Root of that 13.12. 13.12%. This is a first problem. We'll move on to second problem. Outcomes are, returns are 5, 9, 13, 5, 9, 13's probability 0.25, 0.50, 0.25. R into P, 5 into 0.25, 1.25, 9 into 0.50, 4.5, 13 into 0.25, 3.25. Add 3.25 plus 4.50 plus 1.25, 9. So expected return is equal to 9. D, R minus R mean. Your R mean is 9. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. 9 minus 9 is 0. 13 minus 9 is 4. Square of that 16, 0, 16. PD square multiplied by P. 16 into 0.5, 16 into 0.25, this is 4. 0 into this, so 16.4. Add sigma PD square. This is sigma PD square 8. Standard deviation sigma PD square root of 8. 2.828. State of economy, return of stock, return of B. Stock A, stock B. Returns. Stock A. 15 minus 5 plus 5, 35, 25. Probability, all 0.20. 0.20, 0.20, 0.20, 0.20, 0.20, 0.20. R into P. 15 into 0.20 is 3. 15 into 0.20 is equal to 3. Minus 5 into 0.20 is equal to minus 1. This is plus 1. 35 into 0.20 is 7. 20, 25. This is 25 into 0.20 is 5. Add the figure. Minus 1 plus 1 cancelled out. This is 15. Expected return is equal to 15. This is your R mean. Then D, R minus R mean. 15 minus 15 is 0. Minus 5 minus 15 is minus 20. 5 minus 15 is minus 10. 35 minus 15 is 20. 25 minus 15 is 10. Square of that, 0. This is 20 into 20 is 400. 20 into 20, 400, 100, 400, 100. Multiplied by P, PD square, 0. 40 into 0.20 is 80. 100 into 0.20 is 20. 100 into 0.20 is 20. 400.20 is 80. 20. Add the figure. 200 sigma PD square is 200. This is standard deviation is equal to root of sigma PD square. This is root of 200. 200. Root of 200. 14.14%. This goes in favor of stock A. Then stock B returns stock B minus 15, 15, minus 15, 25, 5, 35. 25, 5, 35. Probability 0.20. R into P minus 15 into 0.20 is minus 3. 15 into 0.20 is plus 3. 25 into 0.20 is 5. 5 into 0.20 is 1. 35 into 0.20 is 7. Add the figure. Plus 3 minus 3 cancelled out. Expected return 13. D R minus R mean minus 15 minus 13 is minus 28. 15 minus 13 is 2. 25 minus 13 is 12. 5 minus 13 is minus 8. 35 minus 13 is 22. Square of that, D square, 28 into 28, 784. This is 4. This is 784 positive plus 784, 4, 144, 64, 22 into 22, 484. PD square, 784 into 0.20, 156.8, 4 into 0.20, 0.8, 144 into 0.20, 28.8, 64 into 0.20, 12.8, 484 into 0.20, 96.8. 96.8 plus 12.8 plus 28.8 plus 0.8 plus 156.8, 296. So standard deviation root of 296, 17.20. Here D square is equal to positive 784. D square is positive 784. Then move on to next one. Problem number 4. Returns minus 20, minus 10, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Probability 0.05, 0.10, 0.20, 0.25, 0.20, 0.15, 0.05. See that? 20, 45, 60, 20, 45, 65, 70, 80, 90, 10, 100. R into P, 20 into 0.05, 1, minus 1, 10 into 0.10, 1, 10 into 0.202, 15 into 0.25, 3.75, 20 into 0.20, 4, 25 into 0.15, 3.75, 30 into 0.05, 1.5. So the total will come minus 1 plus 1 cancelled out. This is 2 plus 3.75 plus 4 plus 3.75 plus 1.50, 15. Expected return 15. This is your R mean. D. R minus R mean, minus 20, minus 15, minus 35, minus 10, minus 15, minus 25, 10 minus 15 is minus 5, 15 minus 15 is 0, 20 minus 15 is 5, 25 minus 15 is 10, 30 minus 15 is 15. Square of that, 35 into 35, 1225, 25 into 25, 625, 25, 0, 25, 100, 15 into 15, 225, then PD square, 1225 into 0.05, 61.25, 625 into 0.10, 62.5, 25 into 0.20, 5, 0, 25 into 0.20, 5, 100 into 0.15, 15, 225 into 0.05, 11.25. Add 11.25 plus 15 plus 5 plus 5 plus 62.5, 61.25 plus 62.50 plus 5 plus 5 plus 15 plus 11.25, 160. 160. Standard deviation is equal to root of 160, 12.65, 65%. Move on to fifth problem. are written 10, 5, 10, 5, 20, 30, 20, 30. Your probability 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.2, 0.2. Multiply R into P, 10 into 0.3, 10 into 0.3, 3, 5 into 0.3, 1.5, 20 into 0.2, 4, 30 into 0.2, 6. Add the figure. 6 plus 4 plus 1.50 plus 3. 14.5. Expected return 14.5. This is your R mean. D R minus R mean 10 minus 14.5 minus 4.5. 5 minus 14.5 minus 9.5. 20 minus 14.5. 20 minus 14.5. 5.5. 30 minus 14.5. 15.5. This is D. D square 4.5 into 4.5, 20.25, 9.5 into 9.5, 90.25, 5.5 into 5.5, 30.25, 15.5 into 15.5, 240.25. 15.5 into 15.5, 240.25. PD square 20.25 into 0.3, 6.075, 90.25 into 0.3, 27.07. I repeat, 90.25 into 0.3, 27.075, 30.25 into 2, 30.25 into 0.2, 6.05, then 240.25 into 0.2, 48.05. 48.05 plus 6.05 plus 27.075 plus 6.075. 87.6 sigma PD square, 87.25. Standard deviation root of sigma PD square root of 87.25, 9.34. Now what's the procedure? R into P, expected return, take the deviation square, PD square. Root of sigma PD square is 87.25. I solved about the 5 problems with probability. In session 1, I solved about 5 problems without probability. Now this is with probability. Hope you understand. So what are the steps? R, they will give R, they will give P, multiply R into P, that is expected return, take the deviation, then square, multiplied by P. So standard deviation is root of sigma PD square, that is your standard deviation. Hope you understand. I solved about the 5 problem. In the next session, we'll move on. I did it's called standard deviation. Next session, we'll go with the covariance and correlation. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session with covariance and correlation.